Pricing your Udemy course. The pricing of your Udemy course can make or break it. A few years ago, Udemy placed a cap on course pricing so that the maximum cost for any course was just $50. This caused outrage among many instructors who had priced their courses at hundreds of dollars. At the time of creating this training, the cap is now $199.99. This can change, so check here. To charge for your courses, which you want to, of course, you will need to become a premium instructor. You need to make an application to Udemy for this. Don't worry, it's not as bad as it sounds by going here. You will need to be logged into your Udemy account to make this application. It will take Udemy a couple of business days to get back to you. Udemy set out their guidelines for course pricing here. You need to know a couple of things about the way that Udemy operates before you make a decision on the price of your course. 1. They experiment with pricing a lot. 2. They provide giveaway coupons. Udemy can do these things because they are the biggest and have the most traffic. Don't let these facts deter you from making money on Udemy. Setting the price for your course. The list price you set for your course really doesn't matter that much. Why? Because almost every sale that you make will come through a fixed price promotion Udemy is running between $10 and $15. At the time of creating this training, the $11.99 price is very popular. You still need to choose a list price for your course though. There are two things that you need to take into consideration here. 1. What you consider your course to be worth. 2. How your list price compares to similar courses. When considering what your course is worth, look at the value that you believe it offers and the number of hours of video that it has. If you only have around 3 to 5 hours of video, then you might want to consider a list price of around $50 to $70. For 15 hours of video, for example, this is a higher value course, so price it from $140 to $180. Take a look at competing courses and check out their list prices. They will all be subject to Udemy's promotional discount prices as well, but it is worth comparing to get an idea for your list price. One other thing to take into consideration is the revenue share arrangements with Udemy, which we will cover next. Udemy Instructor Revenue Share. Here's a summary of the revenue share that you can expect as a Udemy instructor. Instructor coupon sales. You can create a discount coupon for your course, which cannot be lower than $9.99. You can then use this in direct marketing. Udemy pays you 97% of the revenue here. There is a 3% admin fee. Organic through Udemy. When a sale is made organically through Udemy, you receive 50% of the revenue. No instructor coupons are involved here. If a sale is made via a Udemy app for iOS or Android, then Apple or Google charge a 30% fee on the total sale. Affiliate sales. Udemy has a number of affiliates promoting courses. With an affiliate sale, you receive 25% of the revenue. Udemy deals. Udemy has a deals program, and if you opt in, then they can reduce the price of your course to $10, and here you will receive 50% of the revenue. You can check for any changes to the revenue policy here. Now, it is time to set up your pre-launch sales funnel.